Look, everyone's talking about passive income. It's the buzzword of the decade, and for good reason. Who wouldn't want to earn money while they sleep, right? But here's the thing. Not all passive income streams are created equal. Some require hefty upfront investments, while others demand a steep learning curve. That's where YouTube monetization comes in. YouTube monetization? That's the real deal. Imagine this. You create content that you love, share it with the world, and get paid for it. It's not just about the money though. It's about building a community, sharing your passion, and making a difference in people's lives. It's about turning your passion into profit. Think about it. You have a unique voice, a unique perspective. YouTube gives you the platform to share that with the world. And when you monetize your channel, you're not just earning money. You're validating your work, your creativity, your effort. You're building something real, something you own. It's not just a hobby anymore. It's a business that you control. You decide what content to create, when to publish, how to engage with your audience. It's your vision, your brand, your rules. Monetization? It's your ticket to freedom, to calling the shots. Imagine the possibilities. You could quit your 9-to-5, travel the world, spend more time with your family. The financial freedom that comes with YouTube monetization can open doors you never even knew existed. But listen, it's not about getting rich quick. Far from it. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. You'll have to learn the ropes, understand the algorithms, and constantly adapt to changes. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's about hard work, dedication, and giving value to your audience. Your viewers are your biggest asset. They're the ones who will watch your videos, share your content, and support your channel. So, always put them first. Create content that resonates with them, that solves their problems, that entertains and educates. You gotta be all in and day out. Consistency is key. Keep creating, keep improving, keep pushing forward. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But if you stay committed, the rewards will follow. The rewards? They're worth every single drop of sweat. The sense of accomplishment, the financial independence, the impact you make on your audience's lives. That's why YouTube monetization matters. It's not just about the money. It's about creating something meaningful, something lasting. So, start today. Your journey to success begins now. Alright, let's get down to business. If you're here, you're probably wondering what it takes to start making money on YouTube. It's not just about uploading videos and hoping for the best. There's a process, and it requires dedication, consistency, and a bit of strategy. So, let's break it down step by step. YouTube has a few ground rules for joining the monetization club. These rules are in place to ensure that the platform remains a fair and enjoyable space for both creators and viewers. First and foremost, you need to adhere to YouTube's policies and guidelines. This means no inappropriate content, no spamming, and definitely no clickbait. YouTube takes these rules seriously, and so should you. First up, 1,000 subscribers. That's your starting line. It might seem like a daunting number, but with consistent effort and engaging content, it's achievable. Think of it as building a community. Each subscriber is a person who believes in your content and wants to see more. Engage with them, respond to comments, and make them feel valued. This will not only help you reach that 1,000 subscriber mark, but also build a loyal audience. Next, 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. This is where the real challenge lies. It's not just about getting people to click on your videos, it's about keeping them engaged. Create content that is informative, entertaining, or both. Use analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Pay attention to your audience retention rates and make adjustments as needed. The more time people spend watching your videos, the closer you'll get to that 4,000 hour mark. YouTube wants to see people are actually watching your stuff. This means your content needs to be engaging and valuable. Think about what your audience wants to see and deliver it in a way that keeps them coming back for more. Whether it's tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or any other type of content, make sure it's something that adds value to your viewers' lives. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to watch your videos in full, which helps boost your watch hours. And of course, you gotta play by the rules. YouTube's community guidelines are there to ensure a safe and respectful environment for everyone. This includes avoiding harmful or dangerous content, respecting intellectual property rights, and being mindful of the community's standards. Violating these guidelines can result in strikes against your channel, which can hinder your path to monetization. So always stay informed and make sure your content aligns with YouTube's policies. No spamming, no clickbait, just good, honest content. Quality over quantity is key. Focus on creating content that you're passionate about and that resonates with your audience. Invest time in planning, filming, and editing your videos. High-quality content not only attracts more viewers but also keeps them coming back for more. Remember, authenticity is what builds trust and loyalty among your audience. Once you check all the boxes, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This is the gateway to monetization. The application process involves reviewing your channel to ensure it meets all the requirements. Be patient, as this can take some time. Make sure your channel is in good standing with no active strikes or violations. Once your application is submitted, YouTube will review your content, your engagement metrics, and your adherence to their guidelines. They'll review your channel, and if everything looks good, you're in. This is just the beginning of your monetization journey. Once approved, you can start earning money through ads, channel memberships, super chats, and more. Keep creating, keep engaging, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and passion, you can achieve your monetization goals. Getting to 1,000 subscribers might seem daunting, but it's totally doable. It all starts with a solid foundation and a clear strategy. You need to understand that every big YouTuber started from zero, just like you. The key is to stay consistent and keep pushing forward, even when it feels like you're not making progress. Remember, every subscriber counts and every view matters. First things first, promote your channel everywhere. Share your videos on all your social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. Each platform has its own unique audience, and you never know where your next subscriber might come from. Don't be shy about asking your friends and family to share your content too. Word of mouth can be incredibly powerful. Social media, email, even tell your grandma. Collaborate with other creators. Collaboration is a fantastic way to reach new audiences. Find creators in your niche and propose a collaboration. It could be a joint video, a shout-out, or even a guest appearance. This not only helps you gain exposure, but also builds a sense of community within your niche. Find your people, your tribe, and do some cross-promotion. Engage with your viewers. Respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, and make them feel valued. The more engaged your audience feels, the more likely they are to stick around and support your channel. Host live streams, Q&A sessions, or even virtual meetups to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Respond to comments, run contests, make them feel like they're part of something special. Contests and giveaways are a great way to boost engagement and attract new subscribers. Make sure the prizes are relevant to your audience and encourage them to share your content for additional entries. This not only increases your reach but also creates a buzz around your channel. Remember, your early subscribers are your foundation. They are the ones who believed in you from the start. Show them your appreciation by giving them shout-outs, exclusive content, or even early access to your videos. This will make them feel special and valued, and they will be more likely to support you in the long run. Treat them right, and they'll be your biggest supporters. Building a loyal community takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Your early subscribers can become your biggest advocates, spreading the word about your channel and helping you grow. So, invest in your community, nurture those relationships, and watch your channel flourish. 4,000 watch hours sounds like a lot, right? But here's the secret sauce. Create high-quality, engaging content that keeps people hooked. Find your niche, what you're passionate about, and go all in. And don't forget about consistency. Upload regularly, whether it's once a week or 3 times a week. Make a schedule and stick to it. The more you post, the more chances people have to find your videos. Section 5. Hacks and habits. Turbocharging your channel growth. Want to speed things up? Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Think about what people are searching for on YouTube and tailor your content accordingly. Create eye-catching thumbnails that make people want to click. Promote your videos on other platforms. Go live, do quandas. Keep things fresh and exciting. Section 6. Engaging your squad. Building a community around your content. Here's the thing. It's not just about the numbers. It's about building a community around your content. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of belonging. Run contests, giveaways, and challenges to keep people engaged. The more connected your audience feels, the more invested they'll be in your channel's success. Section 7. The Algorithm Whisperer. understanding how YouTube thinks. YouTube's algorithm can seem like a mystery, but it's all about watch time, engagement, and audience satisfaction. Create videos that keep people on the edge of their seats. Encourage comments, likes, and shares. The more people interact with your content, the more YouTube will promote it. It's all about sending the right signals. Section 8. Beyond the dollar sign, the real value of a monetized channel. Monetization is awesome, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. A successful YouTube channel opens doors to brand deals, sponsorships, and even your own merchandise line. It's about building a brand, a platform, an empire. So don't just focus on the money, focus on creating amazing content, connecting with your audience, and building something truly special. Section 9. Lights, camera, action. Your YouTube journey starts now. What are you waiting for? The world needs your voice, your creativity, your unique perspective. Start small, be consistent, and never give up on your dreams. The journey to YouTube monetization is a marathon, not a sprint. So go out there, create something amazing, and show the world what you're made of. The future of content creation is in your hands.